Look at this sign. I'm definitely in Europe now. Way to Montenegro today. It's about 110 kilometers away, but it looks like there's a lot of climbing to get done. Man, climbing is killing me. That tunnel was absolutely terrifying. So I was looking on the map and I noticed this really cool road that snakes up this mountain. But it's not actually on my route, like it's going in the opposite direction. So, what I've decided to do is take a day off here in this town, Kotor in Montenegro, and use my rest day just to climb that mountain. You gotta be joking, man. Right before the start of the big, like, Serpentine switchback road I just punctured. Oh man, gutting. That's it starting to rain, just fixing my tyres. It's really not the day that I had in mind. Well, that's me back on the road. Whatever little chance I had of taking the KOM, that's gone. Whatever chance I had. That's my excuse anyway. Wow, made it to the top. That climb was beautifully brutal, man. 25 switchbacks, 800 meters of elevation. Now I'm just going to enjoy the view. Extra jacket and some gloves on. It's going to be chilly descent. So the plan was to head to King's Landing today, Dubrovnik in Croatia, but the weather's so bad, man. Even in the rain, man, this place is still out. absolutely stunning. So good. It's starting to get heavier. I think I'm going to call it a day soon. I'm soaked through. So I was going to call it a day back there by the border, but all the guest houses were closed again because winter. There was one hotel that was like 70 euros a night, so I decided I'd just push on. So I've got to be honest, yesterday was not a good day. It was pretty horrible, the weather, man, it was so bad. But today is absolutely spectacular, and yeah, it's probably the perfect day to visit, have a look around Dubrovnik. So even though yesterday was a nightmare to actually ride in, I'm glad I got it done, like just got the mileage done so that I can enjoy today exploring Dubrovnik.